there, guys. My name is Rita, and I just recently ordered from Pop-On Veneers. And I want to keep this short and sweet. Get them. Don't walk, run, okay? I was a little skeptical at first, but I decided to bite the bullet, no pun intended, and give them a try. Here's my teeth. I'm a recovering drug addict of about 8 years. So I never thought that I would be able to have a straight smile, nice looking smile. But Pop-On definitely gave me a new sense of confidence. So let's get right to it. I got the top and the bottom because the top and the bottom are bad. And you can literally hear them snapping. There's the bottom. And there's the top. And you have a little bit of a lisp, but a lot of people have said on their reviews that they didn't have one, or some people said they did, and with wearing them and getting used to them, they ended up, correcting it. So if you've been thinking about it, it's definitely worth the money. Definitely worth it. Like, this is a smile that, that you pay thousands for just a couple $100. And yeah, run, don't walk.